Hello, this is Rick Powers coming to you from my home office for Western Technical College. Elementary Algebra, Introduction to week number 3. So this week we're dealing with a number of topics, and so there's a large amount of material to cover this particular week. We have an additional set of topics regarding solving applied problems in what we had done previously, just going a little bit further in setting up equations and solving problems that are applied to like mixtures and things of that nature. And a lot of people find this a difficult section. And so then you'll need to focus on getting some support if you need it from our Math Center, or certainly ask me, send me an email, or set up a video conference if you want to explain these kinds of problems. Also, there is the idea of the inequality, where there's not just one number that's the answer, but an entire range of numbers. And there are special concepts of how to solve those kinds of problems. And then one of the largest, if you want to say, connections that's in algebra is when we take algebra and connect it with geometry, specifically when we graph items. And we start with points, just putting a point on a graph, and then we move into the concept of lines. And graphing straight lines is so important because there are so many applications of this. When you say, if one number changes, how does the other number change? And so then so many things in science, whether it's social science, economics, or other things, where you want to be able to graph a line. And there are many different aspects to this, such as the slope and the intercept, and how do you find those things and how do you work with them. And so then, again, this is a rather large topic, and so it's going to take some time for you to develop that. Hopefully, you've seen some of this before, right? In perhaps previous algebra courses, and so you can just kind of knock the rust off of the wheels in your mind and be able to handle that. But certainly, if you need help, and a lot of people do in these sections, then be sure to contact me with any questions, and also work with the learner support in the online Math Center, and they can help you out. So best wishes for this week.